Hi everyone, it's Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this adorable block. This is a complimentary video that goes with the lessons from an old quilt, the red and white quilt that I showed. So this is how you make that block. The first thing you're going to do is cut your strips of fabric. The center block piece that makes like a target is going to be 1 1/4 inches. Cut a couple strips here. The next fabric I cut at 2 1/4 inches. And the third I cut at 2 1/4 inches, which you see here. Okay, I lay these out and I sew them together to make a strip unit. Now I'm going to use a 6.5 inch ruler to cut these. If you are going to use a bigger ruler, you're going to want to make your strip units bigger. And I'm just going to use that center line on the ruler to line it up with the bottom. I'm going to cut my squares. I'm going to cut my triangles rather, flip it over, and cut the opposite triangle. So you can see it gives you a really cool effect. You're going to keep doing that till you have 4 for this block. I obviously need a new blade there, a little dull, ready to replace. And get as many blocks out of it as I can. And there you have it. You put them together, you sew these pieces together, and this is what you get at the end. A beautiful block. When you put these up against other blocks, just like them, you just rotate them and you really get a cool pattern. You can play with this with different fabrics and different values, and it's a cool effect. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this.